On first seeing Sirius giganteus, the giant saguaro cactus, most people marvel at its sheer size. They can grow higher than a 5-story building and live for hundreds of years. The second thing people notice is all the holes. Many desert creatures live in these holes, making this unique plant nature's perfect condo. Like these bees, for instance. How convenient to have those saguaro blooms right outside their door. And by the way, that flower is the official flower of the state of Arizona. Saguaro is a Spanish word, so the G is an H sound. These cacti that look like people are found only in the Sonoran Desert, America's most ecologically diverse desert, covering the southern half of Arizona and the state of Sonora in Mexico. So don't be deceived when you watch a John Wayne movie supposed to be set in Texas with a saguaro in the background. There are no saguaros in Texas or New Mexico. This gilded flicker is a monogamous woodpecker calling out to her mate. Her nest was in this saguaro, and I was determined to find it. Aha! He's not far from Victor's. Speaking of Victor, many of you know this western screech owl from my previous videos. At one time, he had 2 other birds nesting in his saguaro, along with the bees, a true condominium for wildlife. This thrasher, it's a curved bill or possibly Ben ears, is another monogamous bird. Right now she's busy building her nest a few holes down from Victor's. Other birds that nest in saguaro cavities are the elf owl, northern flicker, Gila woodpecker, cactus wren, and even Harris hawks. The hawks make their nests on top of the cactus between the arms usually. You can see a great example in another YouTube video filmed by PjamBGC near Tucson, Arizona. The link to that video is in the description below this one. Thrashers belong to the same family as mockingbirds and sing just as beautifully. It took me a minute to find where she flew off to. I had to follow the song because she was perfectly camouflaged. Well, I hope you enjoyed this first video in my saguaro series. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and happy trails.